Carnival's VIFP Club is ending in 2026, and a new Carnival Rewards program is going to cost you thousands to keep your status. If you're a Carnival Cruise loyalty member, what I'm about to tell you about these Carnival loyalty program changes will make your blood boil. Hi, I'm Thia of Traveling with Thia, and Carnival's new Carnival Reward program launching June of 2026 isn't a reward. It's a money grab. They're literally ending the VIFP Club lifetime status and forcing you to spin your way back to the top. Show me the money, Carnival, because that's all these Carnival Rewards changes are about. I've been covering Carnival's loyalty program for the past 2 years, and I've never seen Carnival's loyalty program change, or any cruise lines change this blatantly anti-consumer. Carnival is taking the VIFP Club that rewards Carnival Cruise loyalty through sailing frequency and turning it into Carnival Rewards spending contest. And the worst part, they're trying to spin these Carnival loyalty program changes as giving guests more choices. More choices to spend more money on Carnival Rewards, maybe. Let's break down these Carnival VIFP Club changes really mean. Right now, if you're Carnival Platinum or Carnival Diamond in the VIFP Club, you earn that Carnival status for life by sailing with them repeatedly. Come June 2026, when Carnival Rewards launches, that VIFP Club lifetime status is gone. Completely gone. Instead, you'll need to spend, and I mean spend, to maintain your Carnival status every 2 years in the new Carnival Rewards program. Here's the new Carnival Rewards spending requirements that'll make you sick. Carnival's Gold status, $3,333 in Carnival spending every 2 years. Carnival's Platinum, $16,667 in Carnival spending every 2 years. To make Carnival Diamond, you'll need $33,333 in Carnival spending every 2 years. Let me put these Carnival Rewards requirements in perspective. To reach Carnival Diamond status, you need to spend over $33,000 in Carnival cruises. That's more than most people make in a year. And Carnival Rewards wants you to spend it every 2 years just to keep a status level you already earned in VIFP Club. Quick poll, comment your current Carnival VIFP Club status. Are you red, gold, platinum, or diamond? I want to see how many loyal Carnival cruisers are getting screwed by these Carnival Reward changes. And here's how ridiculous these Carnival Reward changes get. I saw a meme that perfectly captures this Carnival loyalty program instantly. Carnival Rewards, that'll be 10,000 points for a piece of bacon at breakfast. Because that's what we're looking at with Carnival Rewards, folks. Everything costs Carnival points now. And those Carnival Rewards points cost real money. If these Carnival VIFP Club changes are making you as angry as they're making me, smash that subscribe button. I'm going to keep calling out Carnival when they try to rip off loyal Carnival Cruise customers. You don't want to miss my Carnival Rewards updates. Now, Carnival is giving some VIFP Club members a grace period with these Carnival loyalty program changes, but don't let that fool you. Current VIFP Club status holders get to keep their status for 2 years until May of 2028. And Carnival Diamond VIFP Club members get a 6-year grace period until 2032. But here's the catch. With these Carnival Reward changes, after that grace period ends, you're starting from scratch in the new Carnival Rewards program. 6 years sounds generous until you realize Carnival is just delaying the inevitable. But these Carnival VIFP Club changes get worse. Carnival Rewards eliminating free Carnival cabin upgrades for loyal VIFP Club guests. Carnival VIFP parties that brought the Carnival Cruise community together. Those little Carnival logo gifts that showed that they appreciated your loyalty. The VIFP Club lifetime achievement aspect that made people proud to be a repeat Carnival cruiser. Show me the money, right, Carnival? Because apparently that's the only way to show appreciation in Carnival Rewards now. The Carnival Cruise community is absolutely furious about these Carnival loyalty program changes, and rightfully so. Reddit is exploding with Carnival Rewards complaints like, the Carnival Rewards program is absolutely trash now. I'll focus on my Royal Caribbean status from here on. Some of us don't gamble. These Carnival VIFP changes feel like a slap in the face. So I've been Carnival Platinum for years. Carnival loyalty means nothing. One cruise expert called these Carnival reward changes a massive shift and said, Carnival's top tier status requires over $33,000 in spending only to unlock Carnival benefits that barely cost Carnival anything. Be honest, how much do you typically spend on a Carnival cruise? Drop a number in the comments. I'm curious if anyone actually spends enough to hit these new Carnival reward requirements naturally. Here's what Carnival isn't telling you about these VIFP Club changes. They admitted in their own letter that they've more than doubled Carnival Platinum guests and tripled Carnival Diamond guests since 2021. So instead of building bigger Carnival ships or better Carnival amenities to handle their loyal VIFP customers, they're just getting rid of them with Carnival rewards. Problem solved, right? Christine Duffy, Carnival's president, literally said about these Carnival loyalty program changes, when so many guests have elite status, it's much more difficult to make everyone feel special. Translation, we don't want to spend money making Carnival cruisers feel special, so we're making it impossible for you to earn Carnival status in the first place with Carnival rewards. And of course, there's a Carnival credit card angle to these Carnival rewards changes. The new Carnival rewards program is closely tied to their Carnival Barclay credit card. Surprise! They want you spending on their Carnival card year-round, not just when you take Carnival cruises. These Carnival VIFP changes aren't about rewarding Carnival Cruise Loyalty Program anymore. It's about turning you into a walking ATM for their Carnival credit card partner. If you're a Carnival VIFP Club Platinum or Diamond member, here's your Carnival Rewards Reality Check. Your VIFP Club status expires in 2028. Carnival Diamonds get until 2032. After that, you start from zero in Carnival Rewards. You'll need to spend thousands every 2 years to maintain the Carnival status you already earned in the VIFP Club. The Carnival benefits you get in Carnival Rewards are worse than what you have now in VIFP Club. Here's my advice. If you're a loyal Carnival cruiser feeling betrayed by these Carnival loyalty program changes, look at Royal Caribbean or Celebrity. Their cruise loyalty programs still reward actual loyalty. Or you can move your loyalty over to MSC. They honor status from other cruise lines and hotels. And they honor loyalty, not just spending like Carnival Rewards. Norwegian program isn't perfect, but at least they're not actively punishing their most loyal customers like Carnival with this VIFP Club change. Carnival's message with these Carnival Rewards changes is crystal clear. Show me the money or lose your Carnival status. They're betting that Carnival cruises will pay up rather than switch cruise lines. They're counting on your Carnival loyalty to subsidize their Carnival Rewards greed and their massive debt. But here's the thing. Carnival Cruise loyalty is a two-way street. If Carnival doesn't want to reward your loyalty with these VIFP Club changes, there are plenty of other cruise lines that will. What do you think about these Carnival VIFP Club changes and the new Carnival Rewards program? Are you staying loyal to Carnival? Or are you jumping ship? Comment staying if you're sticking with Carnival despite these Carnival reward changes. Jumping if you're switching to another cruise line. Or waiting if you're going to see how these Carnival loyalty program changes play out. And if you're as outraged as I am about the Carnival Rewards money grab, make sure you're subscribed because I'll be tracking how this Carnival VIFP Club disaster unfolds. And here's my final question about Carnival Rewards. What's the most ridiculous thing you think Carnival will charge points for? My vote is still the 10,000 Carnival points for bacon. Drop me your funniest Carnival Rewards prediction below. Show me the money, Carnival. You're certainly showing us your true colors with these Carnival VIFP Club changes. Happy cruising on whatever cruise line you actually values your loyalty, unlike Carnival Rewards.